Changing your username on Square is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Square website or open the Square app and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find username section. In the account settings, look for the section labeled username or profile. This is where you can view and edit your current username. Step 4. Enter new username. Click on the option to edit your username. Type in your desired new username, ensuring it meets any character or format requirements specified by Square. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new username. Once you have completed these steps, your username will be updated. Make sure to log out and log back in to see the changes take effect.